Hi, I'm Jason Cameron, licensed contractor and television host, and I want to talk to you about one of my favorite tools, and that's the FLIR 1 Pro thermal imager. That's this little guy right here. You can see how small this is. It's very easy to transport. I just put it in my tool belt or my pocket, and it works with your smartphone. And that's what I've got right here. I've got these two things on me all the time. And whether you have an iOS or an Android, it works with either one. You just have to get the right one. Then you just download the app. Very simple to do. You go online, download the FLIR 1 app, and you're ready to go. Now this has the one fit connector, which I really loved. And what they did on this FLIR 1 Pro is they have a little dial on it. Now you can use that dial to actually raise and lower that connector, which is really smart, because a lot of times on your smartphone, you might have a case on it, which is thicker. So that dial allows you to actually work with the case without having to take the case off. I use this all the time. And in my business, time is money. So when I'm on the job, whether it's my house or a client's house, and I need to check something, if I'm looking for water infiltration or air infiltration, if I'm looking for heating or cooling problems, you can't see those things with the naked eye, but you can see them with thermal imaging. That's why this is so important. I noticed right away when I look at the thermal imager is what they call the MSX technology, which is where they overlay the visual image with the thermal image, which gives you a really crisp picture of what you're looking at. And that's really cool. It's got video and photo capability, and you can document everything that you're doing and have it on your phone. So whether you're a homeowner and you want to make sure that your house is buttoned up, if you have a contractor that comes in and does work and you want to check that work, thermal imager is a great way to do that. A lot of the things that you can't see with the naked eye, you can see with the FLIR 1 Pro.